Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're here to learn more about the Molekule and how to change the air filters, you're in the right place. So I have had this for, it's 2-year birthday right now, 2 years. Which you replace these filters every 6 months, so that means it's time to replace them. Pardon the interruption here, I don't know why this I think my hand was on top and hit boost mode. Alright, so I've got my Molekule here. You can leave it plugged in for the filter change if you like. So yeah, every 6 months they send you a new box of filters. So this is no exception. And you're going to get one of the Pico filter, which is this guy. So this gets replaced every 6 months. And then you are also going to get 2 of these. So this is sort of the primary filter that gets the dust and the big stuff out before it passes on to the Pico filter to filter out kind of the smaller things and have that sort of nano photo reaction to destroy things. So these, the reason you get 2 is you replace these every 3 months because they take a lot of the brute force stuff, you know, your big dust, and you'll see in a second when I open this up. And then this lasts a little bit longer because it is protected by that pre-filter, and obviously this is more expensive to make. So you start by pushing down, rotating, and when it goes up, it shuts off the filter when you do that. And then you pull this out. So looking at this side, it doesn't look that bad, but if you turn it around, you can see it's caught quite a lot and prevented that from clogging up the Pico filter, which is a great thing. So I am going to pop this out, and then unfortunately, because the dust sort of builds up on there, you're going to need to clean this out somehow. I don't know if you can see that. So to clean this out, the thing I usually do is just grab the vacuum and clean it out quick. So I'm going to do that right now. I've got that all cleaned up, and as you could see, I did go in there and get a little dust out that was kind of built up around the intake there. It does intake air in 360 degrees all the way around, so just to ensure maximum airflow, just got that all cleaned up. Now pop one of these. This actually looks different than the other one. So it now actually has, so I just threw the other one out so I can't show you, but the other one was like non-directional, like it did not have an airflow direction indicator on it, and it also looked the same on both sides. This one, like, is dark on this side and light on this side, and the dark side is the one that is facing up. So I wonder if there's a different material, if that's like the darkness makes me think of like a carbon sort of filter. And they didn't used to be wrapped in plastic either, so I wonder why. So anyway, take this guy, pop it in here, the up arrow pointing up. This is the generation 2.2, so I'll have to look that up. Maybe I'll leave in the description below what 2.2 means. Alright, and then pop that back into here, like that. And then the nano filter is super simple, and because the pre-filter kind of gets all the big stuff, there's not any real dust to deal with on this one, so you don't have to get the vacuum back out. And I just want to double check to make sure this doesn't have any sort of airflow indicator. No. So all you do is you pop this little rubber gasket off the top onto the new one, and it just goes in. And if you're curious about the difference in color. So you can tell this is a little bit darker. It's not drastic, but this is a little bit darker after being on there for 6 months. So that goes back on top, and then all that's left to do is you push down the cylinder and then rotate this. The light comes on, everything starts working again. Now you've got fresh air for another 6 months, well, 3 months, and then you replace with that other pre-filter, and 6 months you get another delivery in the mail, and you keep on pumping that clean air. So if you found this video helpful, if you were watching this before purchasing a Molekule, I do have an affiliate link down below, and you actually get a discount if you enter my name Jordan in at checkout. So definitely click that if you're going to purchase a Molekule and this video helped you out. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.